In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Facebook to your Shopify store. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can head over in here, you just scroll down and then click on apps. So on this apps right here, just search in here for Facebook. So you can see in here the Facebook and Instagram. So just click on this one. And then from in there, we can see what it looks like. So click on this install right here. And then this will ask you permission in order to install it on your Shopify account. So you can just wait for that to finish the loading process in order to grant this act. So from in here, just click on the install. Then once you have installed this, you should be able to see what it looks like and you should be able to see what the setups you need to do in order to integrate this fully. So in here, as you can see, the Facebook and Instagram has been opened and you can now see what it looks like on the general page right here. So let's just wait for that right here to finish the loading process. And in here, you should be able to see. So just click on get started right here in order to increase your sales to your shop. Click on get started. And then in here, connect an account. And then this will open your Facebook on another tab. Click on confirm account if this is a Facebook that you want and click on allow. Once you have allowed this, it should be able to be integrated to your Facebook. And as you can see, if you have a catalog for your account, which is a business account, you can create new business account from there. So click on create new. And then in here, you can just choose your preferences. So click on save. Then from here, you can also use the data sharing. So you can also connect a pixel to track customer behavior as well. So let's try to create new right here. As you can see, click on confirm. Then agree to the terms and conditions. Submit for review. And once it's been submitted for review, as you can see, this may take a minute. So please do not refresh the page in here. So once it's done the loading process, you should be able to see the channel setup. And you can also see in here the product status that will make your products available to your Facebook and Instagram, which is your products on Shopify. And you can publish your products on your Facebook from the Shopify itself. And when an actual customer orders it, they'll be directed to your Shopify and they should be able to order it from there. So just wait for this right here to finish loading process. And once it's been added, you should be able to see and integrate every product that you have on your Shopify store to your Facebook. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.